Corvette. Hopped out the motherfucking vet. Told her give me a paper, baby, I don't want the sex. Fuck you thought. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, Versatile Squad? As you can see, we're in the Versatile Garage, right? See, I got them white lights looking stupid, looking mighty good right now. It's only right. But yeah, y'all, if y'all seen my video when I went to that one car meet, I did say I was at the end of it. If y'all watch, for those of y'all who watched all the way through, I did say, look at that, they changing by themselves, y'all. I did say we was gonna go through all these modes, huh? 200 different, look, let me go show y'all real quick. 200. Why not, huh? Let's get to it, y'all. Got the missus in here with me, so y'all can hear her input on some of the light selections that we got. Hit them lights, y'all. Let me set y'all up real quick. All right, y'all, got y'all set up. Let's try to get to it before my phone battery dies. This is mode 1. Got a little teal, green, blue flow action going. It's real slow. I kind of fuck with it. I just got the speed on regular right now in the middle, 50-50. Ain't going too dumb. Got the brightness all the way up so y'all can see. Let's go to the mode 2. Got a little red, orange, purple, blue to it, green, red. It's alright. I don't fuck with it too much. Let's go to mode 3. Oh, this one kind of playing Pac-Man, y'all. Hey, since we in Houston, man, let's go ahead and slow it up one time.
You can do that?
The lights do everything. We in Houston. Got the lights playing Pac-Man. And then for mode 4, we gotta, let me go ahead and speed it back up for y'all, 50%. Mode 4, we got a little green. It blinks all the solid colors for this mode. I'll fuck with it. This one's mostly red, orange. It's crazy. Mode 5. The lower modes, they're pretty much all the same, it looks like. Here we go. Now we got a little candy cane flow option going.
For Christmas, can you do Christmas light?
You gotta wait. You gotta wait till we get to Christmas. You can't just jump to it now. It's mode 7. You got the purple. It's like the colors are blending together. Let me try to get y'all zoomed in on one light, cause I feel like y'all can see it better like that. Zoomed in on one light. What do y'all think? What you think? Yeah. Zoomed in on one light or?
Nah, it looks way better with 2 lights.
You wanna see 2? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. That's mode 8 for y'all. And I really fuck with these, no cap. I don't know what it is. There's something about it. Go to mode 10 for y'all. These straight. Kind of look like a little Joker action going on. Look, watch the purple and the green blend right there. Boom. Go to mode 11.
Oh, that looks like you're in the club.
Kind of little disco light going on. Go to mode 12. We got a solid red flow going. Yeah, I gotta slow it down for y'all one time. Who headlights do this, man?
Ding, 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 ding.
It's like my headlights charging up right now. Then you got it solid green charging up.
Oh.
Solid blue charging up.
You should do white.
Yellow is coming. Be patient now. Come on now. You can't rush greatness. Got the blue in there. Got the purple.
Oh, the purple looks nice.
I don't know what it is with purple, white, and black all together, but with this vet,
Yeah, I don't like those.
I might, yeah. That's kind of orange regular. That's like the turn signals.
Turn signal.
Look basic. This one got a little Christmas theme. It's just red and green. There go your Christmas. You happy now? You can't rush it now. Y'all be patient. Let it come to you. This is 20. This is just, let me speed it back up for y'all so we can get a speed it back up. Alright, got a little blue and red police action, yup. Pulling somebody over. Don't get caught with these, y'all. You get caught with this, go ask JI Productions what happened. This one, we got a little red and yellow action. That's ugly. Don't know who would go with this, but these, I kind of fuck with them too. It's a red teal going
that
on.
looks like that lollipop, that ice pop.
It does, that ice cream, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw it up in a picture right here, y'all. Y'all go check it out. If y'all ain't had that ice cream before when y'all was a kid, y'all missing out. The one that got the sour ball in the middle. Then we got red and purple. I guess this is all the red mixtures right now. Red and yellow, red with the turn signal, yellow. Then we just got a red flow type. It's just pulsing. Got green pulse, blue pulse. We're on mode 27 right now. We getting there, y'all. Got yellow pulsing. Got teal pulse. Purple. There we go. We back to the green. Now we in green and red. Shit. Switched up on me. Got a little blue, purple, red in there. Making violent a little bit. See what we got here. A little yellow red action going on. It's a little yellowish green. The yellow's kind of got a little green tint to it on this one. This mode 34. Mode 35. Back to the candy cane ice cream option. Red and purple. Making that violent. Looking stupid. McNupid. I love it. Mode 37. This look like you yielding. Like, I mean, I guess you could put these on if you facing traffic and your car is off and you stuck or somewhere or whatever. You want somebody to see you at night. But for any other reasons, I don't see why someone would like these colors. 38.
Oh, can it do like a blinking?
I mean, I could look, slow it down for you. You got the, ooh, you see the red going through the green, y'all? And then I'll speed it back up for y'all, and we can just go fast, just go stupid with it for no reason. Put it back on 50, calm down a little bit. This is a blue, green, teal. So for those who don't know, your color is blue and what is it? I don't think I know my colors. I'm talking shit.
They try to, like,
But
explain
blue and
things.
green go together. Yeah, I was trying to explain like how all the colors go together. It's 39, got 40.
Ooh, that
40 is
yellow
just
and
green and yellow.
That one looks nice.
Our colors. 41. We almost there, y'all. Almost at 50. Then we got 150 more. Just when you think we done, we ain't. We got more, y'all. We got a lot more. All right. This little blue-green option. Ooh. It's a nice Joker option, Vet Boy. If you watching right now, mode 42 for you. Get your little Joker option in there. Then you got your red and yellow again. Oh, red and orange. Green and orange, I should say. My bad. Little colorblind. This go hard too, y'all. But I think the cops will trip on it because it's a violet going through a blue. Let me get y'all closer for this, cause look at that. Then this is like a teal and a royal blue going through each other right now. Get y'all back centered. Ooh, scooch it over a little bit. There we go. Boom. This one's a yellow going through a blue. Speed it up a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna try to get through this video. Got a blue going through the teal again. Blue going through purple. Some of these colors are repetitive. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. They just got a different flow to them, a different movement to them, which I don't mind. And if y'all haven't seen the video when I installed these, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it up in the car right here. Shout out to Vet Lights for hooking me up with these headlights, y'all. These DRL color changing headlights. These are amazing. Now we're on 50, y'all. Got the red going through the green again with the orange coming through at the bottom. There's the blue with the violet going through it. See, it's mixing all the colors now.
That looks like it has a red too, though.
Mm-hmm. That's the
Red.
violent. See? Yeah, red and blue make violent. There you go. I was trying to tell you about your colors. There you go.
Oh my god.
Mode 52. We got yellow and red. Look, they're back to the ice cream colors. Back to your hazard lights. Come on now. We on mode 56. And it's looking like, let me see, there you go, mode 56. And it's looking like colors from the lower color options. Like when we was in the 20s and 15s, I see a lot of colors repeating. Got the green going through the yellow. 59. I kind of like this one. Got the teal going through the green. And it's not letting the green like take over the whole headlight. It's like half and half. That's crazy. So I guess it expands the let me get up to you. It expands the right here, the length of the color. So I guess that's what it's doing when we see repetitive colors. Each little ball gets bigger and bigger, like the length of it. Pretty unique. Back to the Joker option. But then again, you see, it's not letting it take over the whole headlights. Now it's half and half. Look, bad boy, for you. You can go mode 62 as well. You got green and orange again. Let's start seeing something different. We're on 64, 66, 67. We ain't seen this before, huh? Kind of got the blue blinking through the yellow blinking through the blue.
The purple.
And then a little highlight of the purple in there, huh?
It mixed together, baby.
I told you it's mixing. Ooh, and then I fuck with these. This is where it goes in the visual.
Is there a way you can only have like red and green?
Let me see. I'm trying to get my. There we go. Got my camera focusing, y'all. My bad. Camera couldn't focus. See, light's going so dumb. Got the camera messing up. This one. This is where it starts the balls.
Ooh.
Going through the headlights.
Ooh.
And this is where you can really make it play Pac-Man. Let me see. You'll think my headlights were broken, huh? Nah, I do that when we get up there to the mode 69. Let me get that. Boom. We getting up there, y'all. Almost at 100. Almost at 100. Let me focus back. There you go. Yo, y'all really gotta see these in person, because the camera don't do it no justice. I mean, it's trying, but it got it going retarded right now, like it got Tourette's, because it can't focus on all these colors. It's doing too much right now. Ooh, got the blue going through with all the colors coming in with the balls. I think we're gonna have to just step it up for the rest of the video. I lied. Thought we was gonna get a better look up close, y'all. Nope. This one we see these when you get to the 70s, it's like the solid colors, and then each little, it produces a ball, and it makes a rainbow go through it. You got blue with a rainbow going through it, purple with a rainbow, your turn signal with a rainbow.
Ooh, I like that one. That Christmas vibe.
This is the red and green, the Christmas that she been waiting for.
Ooh, the cops.
We don't like them.
Ooh.
I like the way the headlights are shaped too, because it's like a boomerang. Right now, y'all, we on mode 80. 81 to be exact. Like I told y'all, some of these colors are getting repetitive. I'm getting tired of them. I'd like to see something new. There we go. We got a little blue-green action. And when I'm repeating blue or I'm repeating another color, y'all, Sometimes it's a darker or it's a lighter color of like a blue or a lighter green or a lighter purple. I mean, they got so many options, y'all. It's hard not to choose them. And for those who saying like, was it Oracle burns out? It ain't burnt out yet. Knock on wood, y'all. Hold on, let me go find some. Had to go knock on some real quick. Make sure. 86. Just got, hold on, wait. They got that Kendrick Lamar swimming pool going on right there. You got the blue with the purple. Blue with the yellow. Yellow with the purple. I ain't seen this one yet. This 92, we getting up there in the 90s, y'all. Yellow with the turn signal. Have we seen this one?
No.
I fuck with this one hard too.
What number is that one?
That's 94.
Dang.
Almost there, y'all. I appreciate those who still watching right now, y'all. If y'all still watching right now, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, y'all. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below, y'all. This one got the turn signal orange going through the blue. The orange going through the purple. Ooh. This one just ridiculous. I fuck with all these. Once you get 90, 97 and up, you get these. Tell me, y'all, who got 200 different modes? Right now we on 101.
Me?
We on 101. We getting there, y'all. We getting up there. Get y'all back focused. She was doing good. I see you, Sony ZV1. Come on, there we go. There you go. What's good, Versatile Squad? Sorry to interrupt y'all. I appreciate y'all, those who watched all the way through. This video is getting kind of lengthy, so I was like, might as well go ahead and make a part 2 of this. So y'all stay tuned for the part 2. It'll pop up in the card right here when I do post it. So y'all remember, stay versatile, y'all. Treat each day like it's y'all Friday, man, and go ahead and like it's y'all last. We out.